Behold, innovative interchangeable bow tie, designed by Jude Mark. Mark 1. It's self-tied with halves that can be switched in order to create an entirely new bow tie. Mark 2, the pre-tied, with faces flipped or swapped to create up to 4 different bow ties. Mark 3, the wraparound. It doesn't go around your neck, but fastens at the top button of your shirt. Mark 4, technology at its best. 3D printed bow ties that integrates with the Mark 2 and Mark 3 bow ties. Amazing, right? Order now. Designer fashion by Jude Mark. Think to existence.